Hi everyone, we are Group 9 and our topic is restaurant food waste in China, behavior and causes with people's view. Next page. As the world's second largest economy, China's catering industry as a traditional service industry has also achieved rapid development. However, with economic growth, people in the restaurant also increased. For this study, this research is using an online questionnaire to evaluate people responding to the food in order to evaluate the nature of the correlation between all variables and the results to be interpreted. The researchers hope this research will help China reduce the practice of wasting food in restaurants. Next, pass to my group member.
Next, literature review. This study shows customer behavior, the main cause of the food site, and people's perception. For research framework, start from social norm, customer attitude, behavior, intention, food waste behavior, and the last one, consumer pet waste. For variables, we have three variables, which are customer behavior. Awareness of problem can affect customer behavior, like Chinese culture or ordering a lot of food. Next page. The second, key cause of restaurant sites that providing excessive quantities of food, which means it will produce high food waste. The last one, customer perception, means understanding the value of product and consumption. By paying attention as a social concern and changing customer perception, then can affect the amount of food waste. Next.
Next, I'm going to explain hypothesis development. We have developed two hypotheses. The first one is impact of China's eating culture to food waste of restaurant industry. Research has discovered that one of sort of food waste behavior compresses their dining eating culture. Based on study Li and Su in 2007, China's consumption is impacted by China's cultural significance of mianzi, or face. In Chinese culture, each face represents each value as viewed from others, also indicates the significance of class status. Particularly, in order to demonstrate genuineness, hosts serve expensive feast without regard for the quantity of food. They keep a neutral expression by doing this. Consequently, food waste is especially frequent in China at occasions such as family dinners and celebration. Next, for the second hypothesis, significant effect of consumers' perception and restaurant food waste. Consumer food waste is the outcome of consumer habits, which is impacted by consumers' perception. Furthermore, consumer perception of food waste varies from person to person, and different people have varied food waste habits. People may be in distinct physiological condition or points of view when they're eating at home versus dining out. That leads to varied food waste habits. Consumers who dine out basically be unfamiliar with the eating atmosphere. They may not completely anticipate quantities of the requested items and may be uninformed of the food's quality. Next.
This study adopts the research design of what causes food waste in Chinese restaurants and people's opinions. Explanatory research is used on the basis of recognizing the phenomenon as the existence of food waste in China. Further understand why the phenomenon is caused and people's behavior. Starting from the theoretical hypothesis, collect data through consulting data and questionnaire survey, and then analyze the collected data to verify the previous ideas. The design of the experiment is more rigorous and systematic. The research project will include collecting information on what people in different places think cause food waste, as well as perceptions and practices about food waste. There may be some difference based on age, sex, living environment, lifestyle, and so on. Question: quantitative research was used. Today's society is an era of big data development, from which researchers can find reliable evidence to support research. Analyzing things from the perspective of data can provide researchers with broad analytical ideas. Quantitative analysis can control variables and reduce the uncertainty of research and the balance of judgment. Next page. Series of questions are used to collect information from interviewees, collect people's opinions and practices about food waste. The questionnaire consisted of 17 questions. Answer the questions as closed and classified ways. Sampling method. Systematic sampling is used to extract an individuals from an individuals. Data collection process. Data were collected using an online questionnaire. A self-written questionnaire will be shared with respondents via a link. The interviewees had plenty of time to fill in, so they had enough time to think about it. Next page. These photos are waste caused by food waste. Next page. These are questionnaire. Next. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.